How to put grams in MyFitnessPal app. Just make sure watch the complete video. Firstly, you have to open MyFitnessPal app. You want to add put grams in MyFitnessPal app. In a search bar, you can see here write the name of the food. Like I am going to write meat in grams. Just you have to write your food name that will be appeared in grams. You can see your food will be appeared in grams. Now you can change the meal timings from here, and you can see your all food will be appeared in form of grams, like 29 calories having 0 grams, and carbohydrates 0.5 grams, fats and the 5.7 gram proteins. That was all. That how you can put the grams in MyFitnessPal app. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.